Today, over 100 countries and regions are using agricultural drones. More than 300,000 pilots operate these drones to manage over 300 types of crops, including cotton, rice, soybean, tea, sugarcane, wheat, and more. Agricultural drones have treated 500 million hectares of farmland worldwide, leading to significant savings. 47,000 metric tons of chemical products, 210 million metric tons of water, equivalent to the annual water consumption of 390 million people. A reduction in carbon emissions equivalent to the carbon sequestration of 1.2 billion trees. Join Ozone Aviation India as farming takes flight toward better growth and a better life. Let technology power your farm. To learn more, please contact Ozone Aviation India, leaders in drone solutions since 2007.